This is job number DA1020A. It's a slab-side up-acting press. It's hard guarded on 3 sides with light curtains and skirts on the front. We're going to go ahead and run it through one complete cycle, and then we will show that the light curtain interrupts it going up goes up in auto. The light curtain interrupts it, and it also interrupts it in auto coming down. And it interrupts it in manual going up. We'll show that. Go ahead, Junior. Once the press gets to full tonnage and it reaches the time setting on slot 1, it will toggle the light at the top, and then you have to hit the open button. No big deal. Okay, the press is at full tonnage. Now we'll let it sit till it gets to the toggle point. The light will start toggling. Then we'll push the open button, which will decompress the press first, and then it'll open to the bottom limit switch position. Now wait, Junior, wait a second. Okay, we've reached the timeout position for number 1. We're toggling between blue and green on the front of the panel and at the top. Okay, go ahead. I'm just gonna hit the button, it'll decompress. And then the press opens. Okay, so let's do another auto cycle and interrupt the light curtain. So as the press is going up, if somebody interrupts the light curtain, press stops. You can restart it. All right, go ahead and take it down and interrupt it. Now when it's on its way down, same situation. If you interrupt the light curtain, press stop. And you can re-engage it and bring it down the rest of the way. And then let's just show a manual going up it if you break it in manual. Okay, that completes, you go ahead and take it down. That completes DA1020A. Go ahead and hit that E-stop once. E-stop shuts everything down. Okay, that completes the press.